Cardano value equivalent to $4,968 a coin. The present exchanged cost range of $4,950s on 5,125. The earlier day closed to 5,873. The change was 0.10527%. Opposite rate, US to ADA. Cardano estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.63. Exorbitant costs $78, while low cost $0.63. They found the middle value of cost $0.69. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $0.73. Change for July 59%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.73. Exorbitant costs of $73, while low costs of $57. They found the middle value of costs as $66. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends and $61. Change for August 16.4%. Cardano figure for September 2024. Before all else cost at $0.61. Excessive costs $76, while low costs of $61. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at $67. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends at $71. Change for September 16.4%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $0.71. Excessive costs $88, while low cost $0.71. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $78. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $82. Change for October 15.5%. Cardano conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $82. Excessive cost $102, while low costs $82. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $90. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $95. Change for November 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at $95. Excessive cost $102, while low costs $88. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $95. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end $95. Change for December 0%. Cardano figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $95. Excessive cost $106, while low cost $92. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $98. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends $99. Change for January 2%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at $99. Exorbitant cost $113, while low cost $99. They found the middle value of cost $104. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $106. Change for February 1%. Cardano gauge for walk 2025. To start with cost at $106. Exorbitant cost $118, while low cost $102. They found the middle value of cost $109. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $110. Change for spring 38%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $110. Excessive cost $119, while low cost $103. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $111. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end $111. Change for April 9%. Cardano conjecture for May 2025. Before all else cost at $111. Excessive cost $119, while low cost $103. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $111. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end $111. Change for May 0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at $111. Exorbitant cost $135, while low cost $111. They found the middle value of cost $121. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $126. Change for June 13.5%. Cardano gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at $126. Exorbitant cost $138, while low cost $120. They found the middle value of cost $128. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $129. Change for July 4%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $129. Exorbitant cost $161, while low cost $129. They found the middle value of cost $142. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $150. Change for August 16.3%. Cardano conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $150. Excessive cost $150, while low cost $117. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $136. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end $126. Change for September 16%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at $126. Exorbitant cost $126, while low cost $299. They found the middle value of cost $114. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $106. Change for October 15.9%. Cardano gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at $106. Exorbitant cost $106, while low cost $292. They found the middle value of cost $101. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $499. Change for November 6%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $299. Exorbitant cost $104, while low cost $290. They found the middle value of costs $98. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $97. Change for December 2%. Cardano conjecture for January 2026. At the outset, cost at $97. Excessive cost to $97, while low cost to $78. They arrived at the midpoint of costs $89. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $84. Change for January 13.4%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $84. Excessive cost $102, while low cost $84. They found the middle value of cost to $91. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $95. Change for February 13.1%. Cardano estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at $95. Exorbitant costs $95, while low costs are $74. They found the middle value of costs $86. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $80. Change for spring 15.8%. As to ADA expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1,563 coins. Excessive cost 2,500, while low 1,538. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,831. The OS to ADA figure toward the month's end 1,724. Change for April 10.3%. Dollar to Cardano figure for May 2024. Initially cost at 1,724 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 1,408. They found the middle value of cost 1,876. The OS to ADA estimate toward the month's end 1,515. Change for May 12.1%. OS to ADA expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at 1,515 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,695, while low 1,493. They found the middle value of cost 1,573. The OS to ADA estimate toward the month's end 1,587. Change for June 4.8%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 1,587 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,587, while low 1,282. They found the middle value of cost 1,457. The OS to ADA gauge toward the month's end 1,370.